Okay, there's a bird there, fanning his wings. I'm not sure why he does that. I should Google that and try to figure it out, but you know, I don't know if he's trying to cool off or what is he doing. You know, what's going on there? He or she? You know, if it's a he, I'd say it was a mighty mating call. If it's for she, somehow I don't think so. This guy is showing off. Could be a she though. Even she's a show off sometimes. Yep. Anyway, I'm stopped. I'm stopped at an apartment complex over here, and this is where whoa, that's way close up. Hi. The last time I was over here, I rode by here. I saw a little baby gator. I'm not really looking for gators tonight. I'm looking for birds fanning their wings. Well, no, not really. I'm just out for a bike ride and enjoying this gorgeous world, you know, that God gave us, and that's about it. Nothing special, you know. I don't have anything to say particularly, other than it's a beautiful world, and I really like being in this world. So, okay, there's a bus pulling in over here. I didn't know this was going to happen, but the bus is pulling in right next to me at the La Quinta Inn. So, yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm in front of the La Quinta Inn on an international drive in Orlando. And people go here and, you know, they go to the hotel and they check into the hotel and they walk out to the lake in front of the hotel and they get bitten by gators. And it's a wonderful thing. It's all fine. It's all good. It's all part of nature. Or so I've been told. Yep. What's that behind me? Big fountain? Yeah, big fountain back there. Let's take a look at it. Yep. Beautiful. I love the hotels in Central Florida. Well, it's, you know, things are a long way from being back to normal, but they're a lot better than they were. And it's becoming much more everyday like the Orlando I remember from last year and all the many years before. People are coming back. You can argue about whether it's safe or not, but that's what's going on. And, you know, maybe that's what that bird is doing. The bird is welcoming people back. Oh, he's kind of slowed down now. He's that's enough people. Okay, I know there's restrictions because of COVID and everything. So, oh, there he goes again. Here's a few more. Let a few more people in. So he's controlling the number of people being allowed to come in to Central Florida, and yeah, and that's a good thing. Okay, folks. Whoa, what happened? Boy, this zoom lens is totally out of control today. I'll move on up that way now on my bicycle. Well, hello. We're a little further down International Drive, and you can see these beautiful birds. And, you know, well, birds of a feather flock together. They all look exactly alike. You know? Like human beings, I think that, you know, if you really knew them personally, you'd be able to tell them apart. You know? But, there they go. These gorgeous birds, and they're out there on the edge of a lake. And, yes, of course, there's alligators in the lake. But the birds are, you know, they're not worried about it. They're just out looking for whatever they're looking. They're digging in the ground. I don't know, do these birds eat worms or what do they eat? But they're digging in the ground, and they're very happy. They're very happy to be here. And although you can hear the cars going by, this is still, well, there's still some nature here. Still some nature, a little bit, you know, not as quiet as the nature that you're used to if you live out in the country or somewhere. But we have nature here in Central Florida. We have much better nature than this, I'm saying. But, you know, the amazing thing about this is that it's along the side of of one of the most busiest highways, or busiest roads in Central Florida. If you go further up, it's a huge tourist trap with all kinds of stores and shops, museums and attractions. But here, there's just a lake and some crazy guy on his bicycle riding around looking at birds and looking for gators. There's some more birds up ahead. Let's see what these are. Bird lovers, I know you're excited already, right? I know you're excited. So get them to stop. I'm going to stop right here. I don't want to get too close. This camera has a great zoom lens, and I don't want to scare the birds off. But there they are. There goes the bus again. Another bus. There they are, the birds watching the traffic. Utterly enthralled watching the traffic. They find this really fascinating. Maybe they're trying to, beg a ride, but they don't have their thumbs out. Probably because they don't have thumbs. Okay, this guy's only about 5 feet away from me now. He's not paying any attention. He doesn't feel threatened or anything. He seems happy. I keep looking off in the other area because sometimes I see things darting by in the distance. I don't know what they are. Okay, and this guy's looking up now. I'm right beside this guy. I'm like, 4 or 5 feet away. Very close. He's just doing his thing. He trusts me. That's the way it ought to be in nature. We're all in a balanced sort of system, an ecosystem they call it, whatever it is. We all coexist. That's the way it should be. We should coexist. We should be happy together. Okay, now I'm right beside him, so he's looking up. He's thinking, do I trust this guy or not? And the other bird is as well. He's looking over there, and he's starting to move off a little bit. Getting a little close for comfort. What do you think? Don't worry, bird. Everything's cool. I'll keep my distance. Just, trot on down that highway and enjoy your Central Florida experience. Alrighty. And there they go. And there they go. Birds of paradise, folks. Heading on down the road. It's a good day. It was a nice encounter. Everyone have a nice day. Bye-bye.